Hi, today we're going to introduce to you about our video processor with the KVM workstation product. So right now we have the setup. Basically we have a 2x2 video wall, and here we have the processor and also the workstation, the receiver and the transmitter. On this side is basically we have the input source. So right now we have 4 inputs from the mini PC on this side, then the HDMI. Then on this side we have the USB. Then we have that input to the transmitters with the USB. And then we back to the back side, and we have the transmitters. So we got the line fiber cable, LC connector with 2 cores. Then input to the input card. So here we have 4 inputs to the processor, and then we have 2 outputs, then connect to these 2 receivers on this side. And here we have 4 HDMI output to this 2x2 video wall. And then we have this receiver is connected with 1 cable and mouse here. So we have a cable and we have a mouse here. And on these 2 receiver, and we have 2 HDMI cable connected to these 2 small monitors. So basically with these 2 small monitor and with the cable and mouse, we can control the switchings. Like right now we have these 2 is showing as a multi-viewer. Right now we have this one is showing as a 2x2 video wall. If you want to have this one to this 2x2 video wall, we can just use the mouse. Then down here, then we got a menu here. Then we have this one, then to the 2x2 video wall. Then select the video wall, and we'll click send. So now we can see where they got this one on the video wall. So this is from this one, and if you want to only have this one to a single display, not the whole video wall, and we can just send to a single display. Send. Then we can see we already got one on that window. The same operation on the 4 different input sources. So if you want to have this one, we just move the mouse to this one. If you want to control the video, we also can control the PC. So this one also the same. And we can just cross to any of the PCs here. And here we also can control like showing as one large image or showing as the 4 multi-viewer. So like right now is actually showing as one large image. So come back to the multi-view, and this is the main screen, and also can just cross to this one. Also can do the same. So if you want to have this one to the video wall, you can do the same. 2x2 video wall and video wall, select the video wall, then click send. Then we already got this one on the 2x2 video wall. So this one is about a workstation, and also from this the host screen, and this one is the submit screen. So this one we can just have this one switch to send to this one, and we can just have this one set as the full screen. So this one is at the full screen, and here we back to this one. We want to have this small sent to this one. Also we can do the same. So you can see where they got this small sent to this one. And then we also can have this one sent to the 2x2 video wall. It's already on the 2x2 video wall. So this one is actually about the workstation to use one key mouse to control all the input source. And except this one, this video processor, we can use a line cable, then connect to a control PC. We can use the WebGUI to control the settings, including like the source switching. So like right now, if we switch a different source, we just drag to here, it's going to be switched to different source. So on this side, basically it's the input source, and we can change the names. Just use a right click, then we can rename it and drag the source. So if we're going to close this window, and we can just click here. So if you want to open the window, and it's simply, and we just select the source, then we just drag here, then we got a video window on this 2x2 video wall. Just move a little bit and open one more window here, and 2 more windows here. So now you can see already got the 4 windows on the 2x2 video wall. We can just drag to any size and double click to have it full screen. So you can see where they got a 2x2 video wall here. And if we want to configure the workstation, and we just go to the this one, then we can configure the workstation here. And on this side we got the status. So basically we can check out like the information of this controller, and we have 2 control cards, and then we have the 2 input card, and this is the output card. And here we can monitor the mainboard temperature, and we have a set icon here. So basically we can set up like the video wall, unit station, video wall, and also the preview. But the preview, we will need to add the additional preview cut in the chassis. Then we can preview the source and also the contents from the video wall, and also the cut upgrade and the EDID, and the customize a resolution and monitor settings, extend display, hotkey settings, screen box mapping, and our video layouts. And here we can add like different users with like different authorities. So we can see here, we select this user and authorities, then we can select the different inputs and outputs, and also the menu here. And then we got this one is about the workstation. So basically this is about the users. And here we get the backup. So basically if you want to have this one, then we can just click backup data. And this one is about a lot information. If we got the one card is not working, then we will got alarm or the temperature is too high. And this one is to configure the IP address, and also the system upgrade and the license. So this one is about the settings. We can back to the dashboard. So the dashboard is basically we can just use to control the video wall and to do the layouts, or to set up like the workstations. And the names can be changed according to the real application. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you like this video and this product.